If in a triangle ABC, right angle at B, AB is equal to 6 units and BC is equal to 8 units, then find the value of sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. In a triangle ABC, right angle at B, AB is equal to 6 units, BC is equal to 8 units. According to Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square is equal to AB is equal to 6, that is 6 whole square, plus BC is equal to 8, that is 8 whole square. AC square is equal to 36 plus 64. AC square is equal to 36 plus 64, 100. AC is equal to root 100. AC is equal to 10. Now consider angle A. BC is equal to vertical side. AB is equal to base. AC is equal to hypotenuse. Sine A is equal to vertical side by hypotenuse, that is equal to BC by AC, is equal to 8 by 10 is equal to 4 by 5. Cos A is equal to base by hypotenuse, that is equal to AB by AC, is equal to 6 by 10 is equal to 3 by 5. In a triangle ABC, right angle at B. Now consider angle C. AC is equal to 10, AB is equal to 6, BC is equal to 8. So here AB is equal to vertical side, BC is equal to base, hypotenuse H is equal to AC. Sine C is equal to vertical side by hypotenuse is equal to AB by AC is equal to 6 by 10 is equal to 3 by 5. Cos C is equal to base by hypotenuse, that is equal to BC by AC is equal to 8 by 10 is equal to 4 by 5. Therefore, sin A cos C plus cos A sin C is equal to sin A is equal to 4 by 5 into cos C is equal to 4 by 5 plus cos A is equal to 3 by 5 into sin C is equal to 3 by 5 is equal to 4 into 4, 16 divided by 5 into 5, 25 plus 3 into 3, 9 divided by 5 into 5, 25 is equal to 16 plus 9, 25 divided by 25 is equal to 1. So therefore, sin A cos C plus cos A sin C is equal to 1.